Honorable Lady Chief Justice, a credible election is not a responsibility of IEBC alone. It is a national responsibility. I therefore, as we settle down as the new IEBC, I therefore call upon all other institutions, all other stakeholders to support us and to work together in us cooperatively and collaboratively to ensure that as we plan for the by-elections and the next coming general elections, that we work together collectively because we have shared responsibility to ensure that we deliver on our mandate, which is to ensure peaceful, credible, transparent, and accountable electoral processes. As I conclude, I appeal to every Kenyan to be part of this journey and to support us with your participation, your vigilance, your voices, so that our democracy will be as strong as our collective belief in it. I also, as I conclude, wish to remind us that IEBC has been here long enough, and we have our predecessors who have been the architects of some of the systems that we will inherit, that we will work to perfect and improve, and therefore wish to pay tribute to them, to honor them for their outstanding contribution to consolidating and deepening our democratic processes through their work in IEBC. Let me leave you finally with the words of Larry J. Sabato, that every election is determined by the people who show up. So I urge fellow Kenyans that you must show up, you must engage, you must vote, and you must participate in ensuring that we do our job very well for the sake of our country. I thank you. May God bless Kenya, and may God bless all of you. Thank you very much.